Creating ceilings and placing ceiling panels in the model is pretty automatic and pretty easy in Revit. If you started the project out in an OPN template, you should already see ceiling plan view. To get to that, go to the browser window under ceiling plans, go ahead and click on the ceiling plan for level 1, which is first floor. Ceiling plan view is really just a section through the model, just like the plan view, but it's taken at a distance offset from the ground. In this case, I think it's 7'6" as a default. And to change those settings, you can right-click in the white space, go to View Properties, and in its instance parameter, if you scroll down to View Range and click Edit, you can actually change the offset and change the cut from where it's cutting in the model. I'll cancel that out. So now that you're in the ceiling plan view, to place a ceiling panel in the model, you want to go to the Modeling tab this time. Again, if you don't see any of these tabs in the tool tray, right-click on the tray, and then you can click on its visibility here. So go to Modeling. This time click the Ceiling tool, and in the option bar at the top, you have a pull-down menu of a few types of ceiling that are already loaded. Choose the type you want, and as you hover in, Revit is automatically trying to find the boundaries of walls to place that ceiling tile in. If you click inside a room, it will automatically just start placing ceiling tile in. And we'll put the last one in. Once the ceiling panel is in, it's just like any other family. You can click on the ceiling panel and swap it out for a different type. If you're having trouble catching the ceiling panel, you can use the filter tool to select any item you want. To do this, go ahead and make a selection across the whole area. Go to the filter button at the top of the option bar, click on it. It brings you up everything that you've selected. I'm going to click check none, and then click ceilings to grab just the ceiling. Once I've selected it, I can go to the pull down menu and swap it out for a different type if I want to. I'll click on the white space to get out. Once a ceiling panel is laid in there, you can actually move it around and adjust individual panels. If you just click on one of the ceiling lines, you can nudge it with the up, down, left, right arrow keys, and you can actually start aligning it to other ceiling panels too. If you go up to the top, click Align, choose a ceiling panel line you want to align it to, and then click the ceiling panel you want to move, and it will bring it over. Finally, just like a floor and a wall type, you can adjust and edit and modify the different layers of the ceiling panel and section also. To do that, grab the ceiling panel. This time click on its element properties at the top. Click Edit New. And just like in a wall type, you can click Edit Structure. If you click the preview button in the bottom left corner of the window, it will toggle open a section preview of the ceiling panel. You can insert layers, change its thickness, and change all of its attributes here. Click OK, apply, OK, OK again to get out of that. Finally, after you've got the ceiling panel placed where you want it, and you've modified its thickness and its attributes and section, you can also change in its element properties its distance from the floor. That's an instance parameter in this case, and it's located right here. This offsets it from the level that it's associated with. In this case, level 1, which is first floor, and you can change its value there. Notice in this case that the floor is now out of view, so you need to go to the view properties in the window and change that view crop window to put it back into view.